Hi, today I'm reviewing the Skin Deva 20% Vitamin C, E, and Ferulic Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so this product I'm very excited to finally review. Picked it up a few months ago. And been trying a lot of vitamin C serums out, and this one looked like it fit every criteria I had for a good vitamin C serum. Wish I would have had this one before I did my last series of vitamin C serums better than SkinCeuticals, but I didn't. So finally get a chance to do this one. So, okay, so they say unwanted hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and dark spots making your skin uneven. Use vitamin C, E, Ferulic Serum, a powerful antioxidant to lighten the dark spots, treat hyperpigmentation, discoloration, acne scars, and even aging. So vitamin C is great for all of that. Vitamin C in higher percentages has been shown to help with collagen production, which slows down as we age. And the more collagen we can influence our skin to produce, the better, the younger, the better our skin looks. So very good ingredients. So, okay. So my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. We've got the standard dropper bottle. I wish I'd have used a different color top or something for it, but whatever. Couldn't they make these like pink or blue or I don't know, something? So I know it's different than the other 5 billion bottles I have, but anyway. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does contain benzylalcohol. However, it's the second to last ingredient. It's also used as a preservative, and as far as preservatives go, it is more gentle than a lot of other preservatives. So no issues with that. There's no fragrance to this, no scent. It really hardly has any scent at all. A lot of vitamin C serums will have a certain hot dog water smell to them. This really has none of that. So it's great. The manufacturing location for this one is the US. And I'm going to do a quick pH test. So for ease of use, they recommend apply 2 or 3 drops, smooth it onto cleansed skin in the morning. And they also recommend doing it at night. However, in my opinion, using it at morning is going to be the best way. If you can only use it once a day, use it in the morning before your sunscreen because it helps your sunscreen work better. It protects your skin from environmental stressors, UV damage, things like that. So if you can only use it once a day, use it in the morning. That's the best bet just because it protects your skin. So for Ascorbic acid, typically want it to be a pH... oh, hang on one second. A pH less than 3.5 for it to be able to absorb. And for the pH of this one, I would say it's pretty darn close to 3. So it might be a touch acidic, but it's going to give you the results you want. So there we go. So no issues with that. It is a touch acidic, but there we go. So recommend use this in the morning. I'll also do a little swatch on my hand for you, but it's got a nice watery texture to it. It absorbs pretty quickly. It sets to a non-greasy, non-sticky finish. There you go. So no issues with that. Some vitamin C serums can be very sticky, very shiny. I don't have any issues with this one at all being shiny, sticky, or anything like that. So it absorbs really quickly. I've found it plays well with all my other moisturizers and sunscreens I've used over it. So no issues at all with using it. Very easy. So I use my vitamin C in the morning before my sunscreen. And typically in the evening, I focus on other actives. But you can certainly use it twice a day if you want. Okay, so antioxidants, beneficial ingredients. So we've got 20% Ascorbic acid. Good antioxidant, skin brightening ingredient. Typically, the concentration works best between 5 and 20%. The higher percentage, the more collagen you're going to help produce. Although if you're sensitive, 10% might be better for some people, but 20% is going to be a great amount. Fades pigmentation. It helps fade dark spots. If you use it on your sunscreen, it boosts its UV protection. Obviously, vitamin C is unstable, so when you're not using this, if you can store it in your refrigerator, that's going to help slow the oxidization process down. And we'll mention that this bottle is crystal clear. Isn't that amazing? So the clearer it is, the more potent and stronger it's going to be. As it starts to get yellow, it's less potent, less strong. And then as it turns dark brown, you're not going to get much benefit of it. But this stuff came crystal clear, so they must be manufacturing it on a regular basis for it to show up like super clear. So there we go. So store in your fridge when you're not using it if at all possible. And before you open it, store it in the fridge. because it's just going to help it last longer and be better. So the other thing to mention is ferulic acid can double the photoprotection of vitamin C and also help stabilize it. And the nice thing is this includes ferulic acid. But let's get to the vitamin E next. So vitamin E, great antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. Vitamin E also helps with photoprotection against UVB rays. And vitamin C and vitamin E also work in synergy to provide photoprotection. Then we've got Panthenol, which is a great skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. Then we've got ferulic acid, which I just touched on. Great antioxidant, increases the photoprotection of vitamin C and also helps stabilize it. In a good vitamin C serum, you want to see ferulic acid. I love to see vitamin E. If you can get those 3 ingredients together, use it every morning before your sunscreen, and you'll be very happy that you did that. Then finally, we've got sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. So very good ingredient list. All the good things I want to see. It ticks off every little ticker for me. So in terms of animal testing, this brand is cruelty-free as well as gluten-free. And I think it's also vegetarian. So that's awesome. In terms of performance, really happy with this one. The product is clearly fresh because it's clearly fresh. It helps brighten my skin up since I've been using it. Works great under sunscreen, no dryness. No irritation, even though it's a strong vitamin C product. And then for acne-prone skin, only 1 ingredient of note, and that's vitamin E. So, hello, vitamin C has some great anti-acne benefits as well. There is really no spot in the skincare thing where vitamin C won't help. It helps with everything. It helps with wrinkles. It helps with acne. It helps with pigmentation. It helps brighten your skin up. It helps protect your skin. It does everything. It is the magical antioxidant. Okay, in terms of price, so it's the full size, which is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for about $25, so it's a pretty darn affordable option, especially compared to others such as SkinCeuticals or Drunk Elephant. I mean, this one's, you can buy, for the price of the Drunk Elephant, you can probably buy 5 bottles of this, so it's awesome. In terms of the it factor, I love this one. It's a great vitamin C serum. It's got all the good ingredients. It ticks every box off on the chart. Great antioxidant. Product is fresh, clearly manufactured regularly. It's affordable, cruelty-free, no fragrance. Love it. It's got everything going for it. So my only regret is I wouldn't have tried it earlier. So anyway, love this stuff. So with a 10 being a perfect score, this one gets a 10. It's got everything going for it. Check it out. If you're one of the people that purchased Timeless with the leaky bottle, maybe this one's the next one worth trying. So there's a lot of good vitamin C products. This one is one of them. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are. So definitely leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.